everyone!
Hey guys!
Today it's Slovenian Prazdnik Day or Veliko noč.
Or Easter in English.
Yes. So today we're going to celebrate Veliko noč at home since Slovenia is in quarantine, it's in lockdown. So ostani doma, please.
Ostani doma.
Stay home, stay safe. So we're gonna celebrate Veliko noč on our place. And we're gonna have a stream from our priest, since it's very traditional here in Slovenia that the priest bless the food. And we're gonna cook today, well, sort of cooking, a range or a meal for Veliko noč.
And try to eat it as well.
Okay, so let's start. First, we have this great eggs. People here in Slovenia love eggs when it comes to Veliko noč. It's very traditional, and we're gonna boil them.
People here like boiled eggs. They're called pirhi when they're made for Easter, and normally you also color them. Since we don't have any color, we're just gonna use onion peels.
So look what we have. We have the Veliko nočna Šunka, which is like a ham that is very traditional for this day to eat. We got bread, so it goes with it as well. And the very famous potica of Slovenia, very traditional here, and for Veliko noč is very important as well.
Yeah, what's it made of?
Oh yeah, it's orechova potica, which is made of walnuts. Forgot to say that. Yeah. There's different kind of potica. You can make it different kinds, but the one we have is orechova. So we have this thing that I never saw in my life before. It's called Hren, or in English would be horseradish. This is a typical food. Hren, Šunka, Kruh, potica, and eggs. So Mike is gonna do the honors of doing this. Okay.
First of all, you have to peel it off. You peel this thing off. Also, for those people that are wondering, what is this? It's a type of radish that's a little spicy to the tongue. When you put it in your mouth, you feel like it's a little burning, so you have to be careful how much you're actually gonna eat. They have it in every Slovenian store for Easter time. I'm not sure about any other time, but a lot of people that have homes also grow it in their backyard. Alright, that goes in compost. Second, and this is how you actually do it.
Can I get a close up?
Yes, yes you can. Not that hard. It's good to have a sharp knife, of course. Bigger knife is also better than a smaller one. It's easier with it. You have more grip. And I think if that should be enough for now. If you're gonna eat more, we're gonna eat more. Hope you guys try this one day and see if you like it. Next we're gonna cut a little bit of potica. I'm cutting it the same way as you would cut bread. Right? So this side always goes sideways. Cut it into small pieces of maybe a centimeter, maximum 2.
Look at this pretty. Ooh, nice.
It looks great though. Need to sharpen my knife a little bit. There we go. Alright. One for each. And of course bread. bread is cut the same way as we just cut the potica. Everyone knows how to cut bread, I don't even have to explain that.
But this bread, it's made of something different.
Well, it's made with onion actually. Even though it's supposed to be velikonočni bread, which is Easter bread, people make it in different ways. I like it this way.
Well, since Mike is done with the potica and the bread, it's time for the grated ham. The one for velikonočna Šunka that people love here. Just gonna put it in the oven, just to bake it a little, and then we'll be good to go to eat. And the eggs should be done soon too.
Yes, now that the meat is done, I'm gonna take it out. Normally you would cook this for a lot of hours, but I pre-cooked it, so it's already done. I just warmed it up. And the knife is already here. Let's just put it here and ooh, it's hot. Right, cut it into slices like any other meat you would do. And very thin as possible. This is not really a salami sort of type of thing, it's more like steak. So you can cut it between 2, 3, maybe 4 millimeters. That should be it. Right, 2 pieces is enough for me, 1 for you.
Starting.
Indeed.
I can pause it. It's like, oh, it's recording.
It's recording. He's a very modern priest.
I love him. He's such a nice priest with us.
Indeed.
And everybody else. There he is.
Lep dober dan želim, spoštovane župljanke, dragi župljani in vsi dobri ljudje. To je milostni čas. V teh trenutkih je povezana cela župnija, povezana je cela Slovenija. Pri stvarih, ki nam nekaj pomenijo, so nam pri srcu. Verjamem, da ste z velikim veseljem pripravljali svojo košarico. Tudi sam sem bil pripravljen, z velikim veseljem. Morda ste dali v košarico še kaj čisto svojega, ne samo to, kar je uradno. Če želite, lahko med obredom to še naredite, da date nekaj svojega v košarico. Ko sem pripravljal svojo košarico, sem zraven dal zelišča, ki jih obožujem. Tako da je del mene tukaj. Zraven sem dal pa tudi klobčič volne, mavričnih barv.
Okay. That's cool.
Volna mi pomeni marsikaj, povezanost, ljubezen, stik z Bogom. Tako vas povabim, da je pri tem blagoslovu z nami zavest, da so v našem življenju stvari, ki niso hrana, pa nas hranijo in morda še bolj kot običajna hrana. V imenu Očeta in Sina in Svetega Duha.
Amen.
Amen.
Gospod z vami.
In s tvojim duhom.
Vi kan behberite.
Zbrali smo se v blagoslovu. Sveto pismo poroča o Izraelcih, ki so že v stari zavezi obhajali veliko noč. To je bil praznik, ko so se spominjali, kako jih je Bog po Mojzesu rešil iz egiptovske sužnosti. Za ta praznik so se zbrali v krogu družine in uživali jedila, kakor je naročala njihova postava. Berilo je iz 2. Mojzesove knjige. Tedaj je rekel Gospod Mojzesu in Aronu v egiptovski deželi: 10. dan tega meseca naj si vsakdo priskrbi po eno jagnje. Hranite ga do 14. dneva tega meseca. Potem naj ga vsa zbrana Izraelova občina zakolje proti večeru. Vzamejo naj nekaj krvi in naj z njo pomažejo oba podboja in nadurje hiš, v katerih ga bodo jedli. Takole pa ga jejte. Imejte ledje prepasana, opanke na nogah in palico v roki. Jejte ga v naglici. To je Gospodov mimohod. To noč pojdem skozi egiptovsko deželo. Tedaj bo kri za vas znamenje na hišah, v katerih bivate. Ko zagledam kri, pojdem mimo vas in pri vas ne bo morilne šibe, ko udarim egiptovsko deželo. To je Božja beseda.
Hvala.
Odpev: Veseli zajemajmo vodo iz studencev odrešenja. Glej, Bog je moje rešenje, zaupam in se ne bojim. Moja moč in moja pesem je Gospod, on mi je bil odrešenje. Slavite Gospoda, kličite njegovo ime, oznanjujte med ljudstvi njegova dela, razglašajte, da je vzvišeno njegovo ime. Pojte Gospodu, ker je storil velike reči, naj bo to znano po vsej zemlji. Vriskajte in radujte se, prebivalci Siona. Velik je med vami Izraelov sveti. Gospod z vami iz svetega evangelija po Luku. Bilo je že okrog 6. ure, ko je nastala tema po vsej deželi in je bilo temno do 9. ure, ker sonce ni dajalo svetlobe. Zagrinjalo v templju se je pretrgalo po sredi. Jezus je zaklical z močnim glasom: Oče, v tvoje roke izročam svojo dušo. In ko je to izrekel, je izdihnil. Ko je stotnik videl, kaj se je zgodilo, je slavil Boga in rekel: zares, ta človek je bil pravičen. In vsi ljudje, ki so se zbrali, da bi gledali in so videli, kaj se je zgodilo, so se nazaj grede trkali na prsi. Poslušali smo Kristusov evangelij.
Hvala tebi, Kristus.
Vsamogočni Bog, ko slavimo smrt in vstajenje tvojega sina, te prosimo. Najprej za vesoljno cerkev, naj se utrdi v veri ustalega Kristusa. Za vse ljudi, ki iščejo Boga in Božjo bližino, naj odkrijejo v Kristusu svojega odrešenika. Za naše družine naj živijo v slogi, miru in medsebojni ljubezni. Molimo za bolne in trpeče, za vse zdravstvene osebje, naj v tem času čutijo velikonočno upanje. Za naše rajne naj v Kristusu uživajo neminljivo veliko moč. Oče naš, ki si v nebesih, posvečeno bodi tvoje ime. Pridi k nam tvoje kraljestvo, zgodi se tvoje volje, kakor v nebesih, tako na zemlji. Daj nam danes naš vsakdanji kruh in odpusti nam naše dolge, kakor tudi mi odpuščamo svojim dolžnikom, in ne odpelji nas v skušnjavo, temveč reši nas od hudega.
Amen.
Molimo. Nebeški Oče, ko slavimo smrt in vstajenje tvojega sina, te prosimo, blagoslovi ta velikonočni kruh v naših domovih. Je sad tvoje dobrote in našega dela, naj ga uživamo polni hvaležnosti, v svetem obhajilu pa spoštovanjem premijo Kristusa, ki ste božji in premijo vedno. Molimo. O Bog, po svojem služabniku Mojzesu si pri reševanju svojega ljudstva iz Egipta ukazal jesti jagnje kot podobo našega Gospoda Jezusa Kristusa. Blagoslovi to izbrano meso, ki ga želimo tvoji služabniki uživati v tvojo hvalo, po vstajenju našega Gospoda Jezusa Kristusa, ki s teboj živi in kraljuje vekomaj. Molimo. Vsemogočni Bog, prosimo te, blagoslovi te pirhe. Naj bodo zdrava jed tvojim vernikom, ki jih bodo uživali in se ti zahvaljevali zaradi vstajenja našega Gospoda Jezusa Kristusa, ki s teboj živi in kraljuje vekomaj. Molimo. Blagoslovi, o Bog, ta Hren. Ko bomo okusili njegovo ostrino, naj se spomnimo, da je Kristusovo trpljenje cena našega odrešenja. Po Kristusu, našem Gospodu. Amen. Molimo. Bog naš Oče, od tebe so vse dobrine, od tebe je vse, kar smo in kar imamo. Prosimo te, blagoslovi vsa ta izbrana jedila v naših domovih. Nauči nas, da bomo v tvojih darovih gledali tvojo neskončno ljubezen. Vsi, ki jih bodo uživali, pa naj se veselijo medsebojne bližine, telesnega in duševnega zdravja. To te prosimo po Kristusu, našem Gospodu.
Amen.
Dobri ljudje, danes večer, kot je običaj, bo velikonočna vigilija in če želite, se lahko pridružite. Ob 20. uri bo prenos. Jutrišnji dan je prazničen in bo naše celotno jutro bogoslužno jutro. 15 do 8 ste povabljeni, da se pridružite obredu vstajenja. Potem ob 8. uri bomo zmolili kratko molitev, oglasili se bodo zvonovi in se bomo zbrali pri velikonočnem zajtrku. Povezani celotna župnija, celotna Slovenija. In ob 10. uri potem bo sveta maša, tudi seveda prenos. Tako, da si dovolite začutiti jutrišnje jutro kot eno nedeljivo celoto, kot eno samo bogoslužje. Tako zajtrk ne bo del izven bogoslužja, ampak bo med vstajenjem in sveto mašo, kar pomeni, da bo del velikonočnega bogoslužja. Dovolite si to začutiti. Dobri ljudje, ne glede na vse, velika noč je tukaj. Gospod z vami.
S tvojim duhom.
Blagoslovi vas vsemogočni Bog, Oče in Sin in Sveti Duh.
Amen.
So what you just saw was our priest, Fancy, blessing all the foods. Normally, if this pandemic or coronavirus is going to be happening, he tends to, because where we are, Sevnica, that church is in Borstan, so he goes all around the little villages and bless them, and it's a very beautiful event that he does. It's very small.
Between 7 and 2 p.m., so he takes a very long time to do that as well.
Yes, and it's beautiful. It's very personal. Like you actually interact also with the neighbors, and it's very a family event. I really enjoy it. Yeah. So it's time for us to start finishing our traditional lunch for the day.
Lunch.
So you'll see how we do it. Hey, so it's time for trying. We're finally set up. You can keep it close up here. Here. Look at this yummy meal. We have Hren here. We have the eggs. We have the ham, bread, the potica, and something that it can't miss is wine, vitek, and it's homemade by Mike and his parents. What? And yes, we have a cat. Hello, say hi, Orion.
Orion!
Say hi.
That's our lovely cat right there.
So let's toast for that. Let's toast for today's Velika noche, and should make a close up of this. Here, this. Yeah, put it here. The wine. Ooh, sorry.
A little spill there, just for good luck.
Yes. So now it's time to toast and say goodbye.
Let me grab the glass.
And enjoy the Velika noche.
Indeed.
Velika noche na hrana. Yeah.
Cheers!
Cheers!
See you guys.
Have
Have a good one. Bye bye.